slow in, there you go. Slow in, there you go. Okay, stop. Ollie's turn. Oliver. Ready?
Roll and
Slow and dough. Slow we go, let's roll the dough. All right, that's good. Thank you. Santa gets a star?
Yeah.
No, not in the middle, right in the edge.
Oh.
Right there.
Mom, can I do the middle?
Well, we're trying to use as much as we can. Good job, babe. So, you want to do it right here. Try to make sure everything is covered. Wait for Mom.
Ollie, wait.
I just want to get it set up for mine.
Perfect. Ready? Down, push. Go up slow. There you go. Good job. Uh-oh, Mama broke it. I'm sorry. You want to do it again? Yeah, the snowflakes are kind of hard, so we got to be real gentle. Okay, ready? Push. Real gentle. There we go. There we go. All right.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Wow.
Don't put that in your mouth, please.
I smell